Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Cloud Computing for Complete Beginners series. Today, we're talking about regions and availability zones, one of the most important concepts in cloud computing. Think about Amazon or Netflix. Imagine if they only had one building storing all of their computers and that building lost power. Millions of users could lose access to their services. That's why cloud providers like AWS and Azure have data centers all around the world. A region is simply a geographic area where a cloud provider has its data centers. For example, AWS has regions in Northern Virginia, Ohio, London, and Tokyo. Inside each region are multiple availability zones, often called AZs. An availability zone is like having multiple secure buildings in the same city. Each building has its own power, networking, and cooling systems. Why does this matter? Because if one building has a problem, your application can continue running from another building. Think of it this way. Region equals A, city availability zones, equals multiple buildings inside that city. By spreading applications across multiple availability zones, companies improve reliability, high availability, disaster recovery, business continuity. This is why banks, hospitals, airlines, and major businesses rely on cloud providers. They need their applications available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In my ebook, Cloud Computing for Complete Beginners, I explain regions and availability zones using simple illustrations and real-world examples so you can understand these concepts without getting overwhelmed by technical jargon. I'm Deen and in our next chapter, we'll discuss Identity and Access Management, or IAM, and how organizations control who can access cloud resources. I'll see you in the next lesson.